today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple jelly cheesecake. So first off, we're going to start with making the jelly. So in here I've got 2 cups of hot water as per the jelly packet. In goes my lemon jelly. Give it a mix. And then in goes 400 ml of cold water. Give it a mix. And then set aside to cool down. So I've used a food processor to blend up my biscuits, and for the tin I'm going to use the Sofrito springform tin with a nice glass base, so I can just serve it straight on the table, don't have to worry about transferring it to another dish. Grease the tin just with the butter that you're going to use for the mix, and then in goes the butter into the biscuit mixture, and give it a good stir. The biscuit base should resemble wet sand. Into the tin. Spread it out with a spatula. With a large spoon, you have to push down on the base to make it nice and firm and compact. Okay, once the biscuit base is nice and flat and compact, that can go straight into the oven for about 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Okay, so once the biscuit base has come out of the oven, it's time to finish the cream cheese filling. So for the cream cheese filling, I used a food processor to mix the cream cheese and the condensed milk together to a smooth consistency. And then I'm going to slowly add in the jelly and mix until combined. Okay, so once the jelly and the cream cheese mixture is all mixed together and there's no lumps, you can go straight into the tin where your biscuit base is. And then that goes into the fridge for at least 5 hours, or overnight is the best thing to do until it's nice and firm, and then we can decorate it. So I've had my cheesecake overnight sitting in the fridge. It's nice and firm now, so I can go on to making my whipped cream to go on top of the cake before I take it out of the tin. So here I've got my Baccarat Prepare food chopper, and I've got the mixing blade attached, and I'm gonna go in with a cup of cream. I've just got some caster sugar here and a little bit of vanilla essence. Now lid goes on top and start whipping. Looks about done. The cream's nice and thick, so now it's time to put it on top of the cheesecake. So spread it out, put a nice even layer on the cheesecake. So now that the cream's on, I'm going to, with a flat spatula, go around the edges so I can take the tin off with ease. Now I'm going to put it straight onto my cake stand before I take the tin off. Even though I've got a glass base, I want to put it on the cake stand so I can present it nicely on the table. Out pops my tin. A little bit of a wiggle. And there we go. That came out nice and easy. So now I'm going to top it with some passion fruit. And then I'm going to go in with my berries on top. I've used frozen berries today, but you can use fresh berries, you can use kiwi fruit, mango, whatever you would like on top of your cheesecake. I'm just going to put a little bit more passion fruit over the top. And that's ready to slice up and serve.